Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to make your Android phone look awesome and feel super smooth, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Nova Launcher step by step so you can customize your Android phone like a pro. If this video helps you out, make sure to give it a thumb up and subscribe for more Android tips. First off, what is Nova Launcher? Nova Launcher is one of the best and most customizable Android launchers available. It lets you completely change the way your home screen, app drawer, gestures, and icons work. You can make your phone faster, cleaner, or just make it look like you. To install Nova Launcher on your phone, go to the Play Store and search for Nova Launcher. Install it like any other app. There is a Nova Launcher Prime, the paid version that unlocks features like gestures and hidden folders, but for now we are sticking with the free version. Once installed, open Nova Launcher. The first thing it will ask you is if you want to set it as your default launcher. Tap yes and choose Nova from the list. Nova will then guide you through the setup wizard. Choose if you want a light or dark theme, your drawer style, and icon size. You can always change this later, so don't stress too much about it now. Now the fun begins. Long press the home screen and tap setting. This opens Nova setting, your control center. Start with home screen. Here is you can adjust the grid size, icon layout, paddings, and even enable scroll effects. Then to customize your app drawer, go to Nova setting and app drawer. Under app drawer, you can change how apps are sorted, background transparency, scroll types, and more. Want a vertical scroll or horizontal pages? Totally up to you. To adjust gestures and inputs in Nova setting, go to gestures. In gestures, you can assign custom actions like swipe up to open the app drawer or double tap to lock the screen. Some of this needs the Prime version, but there are still cool options in the free version. Do you want your icons to look unique? Download any icon pack from the Play Store like Whicons, Viral, or Delta. Then go to Nova setting, look at the feel, icon style, and apply the icon. Instant makeover. Once you have got everything, set the way you like it. Go to Nova setting, backup and import, and save your layout. So if you switch your phones or reset, you will not have to start over. And that's it. You have just set up Nova Launcher and given your Android a fresh new look. Let me know in the comments what your setup looks like, or if you want a part 2 with advanced tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icons so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.